In this video, we'll explore the best laser levels on the market, comparing their features, accuracy, and durability to help you find the perfect tool for your construction and leveling needs. Let's dive into the top picks. Let's kick things off with the Bosch GLL3-330 CG Green Beam Laser. This laser takes precision to the next level with its bright green beam, which is up to 4 times brighter than standard red lasers. It offers a solid 200-foot working range, but with the Bosch LR8 receiver, you can push that out to 330 feet. The standout feature here is VisiMax technology, which keeps the beam clear while optimizing battery life. You can also control everything from your phone using the Bosch Leveling Remote app, which lets you adjust the laser planes and monitor battery status. Powered by the Bosch 12-volt Max lithium-ion battery, or AA batteries, this tool gives you flexibility and power. With its IP54 rating, it's built to handle the elements. At around $450, it's a solid pick for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful leveling laser. Next up, we have the Milwaukee M12 Green Beam Laser 363 plane kit. This tool is a game changer for any professional looking for high visibility and precision. With a working range of 125 feet and up to 165 feet with a detector, this laser level delivers accuracy you can rely on. The three 360-degree planes provide horizontal and vertical lines, perfect for aligning, leveling, and squaring in larger spaces. The bright green beam stands out even in bright environments, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The Milwaukee M12 laser is powered by the red lithium trademark 4.0 XC battery, providing 15+ hours of runtime. The self-leveling feature ensures perfect accuracy, and the IP54 rating guarantees durability. At $549, this kit is perfect for those who need a reliable all-day tool that can handle the toughest jobs without skipping a beat. The DeWalt 20-volt/12-volt Max Laser Level Kit is a top-tier solution for precise leveling. This laser level features a 3x360-degree green beam, offering exceptional visibility and accuracy within 1/8 inch at 30 feet. Perfect for a variety of jobs, it includes a fine adjustment knob for precise positioning and an integrated magnetic pivoting base that can easily mount to a tripod. The unit runs on a 20-volt max battery, providing up to 10 hours of runtime, depending on the battery used. Its IP54 rating makes it dust and water resistant, ensuring durability even on the toughest job sites. Whether you're tackling drywall, framing, or other general construction tasks, the DeWalt Laser Level Kit has you covered. Available for around $350, it combines reliability, performance, and job site toughness in one convenient package. The Johnson Level & Tool 99-026K Rotary Laser System is a real performer for both indoor and outdoor projects. It's compact but powerful, offering an 800-foot working range for a variety of tasks, from setting foundations to wall alignment. We really like the adjustable rotational speeds, letting you choose between 200 to 600 RPM for the best visibility. The safety features like visual and audible alarms ensure that you stay on track. Plus, the included rechargeable battery pack and full kit with a tripod, grade rod, and magnetic target make this tool a solid value. It's built to last too, with IP54 dust and water resistant. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use laser system, this one delivers at around $380. The Topcon RLH-5A self-leveling rotary laser is a powerhouse for any construction or grading project. Designed for rugged job sites, this laser is built to withstand dust, water, and even torrential rainfall, thanks to its IP66 rating. With its self-leveling motors, the RL-H5A ensures precision with a remarkable accuracy of plus or minus 10 arc seconds. It has an impressive range of up to 800 meters, making it perfect for large-scale projects. Whether you're working on grading, excavation, or general construction, this tool offers both durability and ease of use. It also features automatic releveling, so you don't have to worry about minor disturbances. Included in the kit are the RLH-5A laser, LS80L receiver, sensor holder, and a soft carrying case. For around $703, this tool delivers professional-grade performance and is a great choice for any serious construction professional. Grab this one, and it'll become a staple in your toolkit.